Well, the community continues to help tornado victims, and you can too. You can drop off items like water, cleaning supplies, and clothes at East Jerusalem Baptist Church on Tipton Street. As more and more organizations and volunteers come each day, the need of supplies continues to rise.
We're just asking that you come out and donate your time, donate some clothes, donate food, because everybody needs something, and we just want everybody to get behind the people behind the storm.
Donators can drop off the items anytime during the day.